Sorry. Hi guys, Alfred the Goat here, and today we're playing Fun Monkey Horror with one of my subscribers. Calm down, little child. So, with the new update is finally out by waiting, because last time I kept knocking on the door even though that was frozen. Now it's just a completely new update. It looks bland as heck, so I'm going to check out the store.
I don't know how to play this game.
I need to check out the store. I'm so sorry for the lag of 0 crystals. I got the... there's nothing changing. Bit glitchy though.
No, this is leaving soon.
I have it.
I don't know how much.
I have all of it.
How do you know how much? Whatever you have, how do you know how much you have?
Yeah, you look like a bland monkey. Hang on, I'm just coming. It should say on that board there, you have 0 crystals.
No, I have 1,000 crystals.
But no, don't get any of that. Do not get any of that. Press store. Body cosmetics. Banan.
No, but
Banan.
I don't have anything.
Buy the banan.
How do I buy it?
So you press store.
Do I click hats?
You bought the hat now. You have a box in your head. Come on, we need to do the.
Oh, I have 0.
We need to do the levels.
Yeah, I got a box hat. My first ever cosmetic. Dude, where did you go?
Mellow.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. I can't go in.
There's a button. There's a button. There's a button here.
Oh, there's a button. Oh, no.
To freak you out, I'm gonna do
What is this?
the portals. Go to level basic for me.
Basic, please. Okay, I'm in. Oh, I went. Oh, dude.
Oh, come on, man. You need to just go back.
Dude, I'm back in.
Okay.
Where do we need to go?
Right. Right, see these buttons? Do not click these buttons or we will die instantly. No.
Why?
Because there's a monster out there. Nah. Go out there. Go out there.
Then what do we need to do?
Go out there. Go out there. Ready? You go first.
No. Let's go at the same time.
Fine. Keep these doors open. Come on. Where the heck are you?
Yeah, you go fast since you're a pro.
Stand here. Just stand here. I don't like this. I wish there's more people.
Yo, I saw red eyes. I just saw red eyes.
Which way, man? Left or right? This way.
Left.
And that's where we'll be going. Wait. If we stay out here for a bit longer, then the monster will come.
Wait. What is this little board? If you.
So if the monster was there, you could jump in here.
If you click something, there's a board.
I'm imagination, life before your creation. Come
Dude,
on.
click the button X on the controller. What's that board in front of you?
What board? Oh yeah, you can have lights or no
I
lights.
have like a red board in front of me.
Right. To get, this is your first time playing. I want you to stand out there just for 2 seconds and come back in. Fine. Can I come with you then?
Yes.
Come on, let's go.
Fine, yes.
So you saw red light, eh?
Yeah, red eyes.
Down there.
There.
Wait.
No, please, no, please.
I won't. I'm not that cool. Now, that's what I was trying to get you to do.
It's because I'm playing for Monkey Horror 2 and my friend just let me out, oh my gosh, in somewhere where the monsters are. Oh, yeah, I'm not doing this. It is how?
So, yes. Wow. Where the heck are you gone? Come on, man. Come on.
Thank you, but no.
We're going out there. Come on. You click that button, you will be sent to Ohio. Come on. Come on. Fine, come on.
If you do.
What, can we just stay here for a bit? You look that way. No.
No!
No, I'm not. Banana says no. Come on.
I'm going back to Ohio. Ohio's way better than this place.
Fine. Let's do a different one. Let's do. Come on. Bro, I was glitched out the map. Come on, let's do.
I don't want to do
This one's not scary. This one's not scary. This one's not scary, okay? I'll prove it. I'll prove
Are
it.
you sure?
See? Not scary at all. The jump scare is just a rat.
It's gonna jump scare. It's gonna jump scare.
Just jump into it.
I told you.
I know it's gonna jump scare. I've done this like 100 times.
It's not that scary. It's not that scary. The jump scare.
I know. I had to start off with the most horrible level.
I praise him.
No one.
Ah!
Karma. Let me eat me.
He just sucked me.
Hey yo.
He just sucked me. Since I said he
I shall put a curse on you.
Is this the only thing? Is this the only monster that's in this level?
Yep. Yo, I was out the map. I'm coming back, don't worry.
Dude, Rod.
Reversing, I'm here.
Where? Dude.
Hi, my hands. Can you not?
Yeah, I can see you, I can see you, I can see you.
So full.
Get out.
Come on. Slender Tubbies.
That one was scary.
Yeah, that was so scary.
With... What is this?
Slender Tubbies.
Come on.
I'm here. I'm behind you. I'm behind you. You.
Dude, it doesn't matter. I started to call you. Just never call. So it echoes.
Yeah, don't call me. Don't. All right.
I left. Dude.
Yeah, bits glitchy though. Let's do bear.
No. This is scary. No, I can't see nothing.
It's retro funk. Yeah. Nah, watch this. Yep. Come on, let's go back. I'm not doing that bit. Yo.
Dude.
There's an echo now. There's an
Okay.
echo.
I know. So now we can. Now we can still speak to each other. When we can't
Nah,
see.
put Fun Monkey Horror mode on. Click it.
What does that do?
Click on.
What does it do? No, hey! No. Yeah, I'm not gonna do any horror stuff now. I wanna get used to
That's how you get used to the game. Do horror stuff.
Well, I just wanna check out some stuff I'm new. You wanna do a mini roleplay?
I'm doing a YouTube video. No.
I'm gonna be a baby, so I'm small. Why am I so small, actually? Why is that shit? Dude, I am not doing it.
Nope. If you find me, you can pick what games.
I don't know. I found you. I can see you. I already know that you went in here. So you didn't. No,
I'm not
please
gonna
don't
leave
leave
you.
me. I can see. No, that was my. Give me a clue.
I'll give you. Nah, I'm not giving you a clue. Fine.
Found you.
Fine, what
I
game then?
found
What game?
No, like on
Nah,
the
VR,
VR,
man.
in this.
VR.
Oh, if I had to choose, it would be. Oh, I don't know. Like, I do want to explore.
Then do horror games. I play horror games. What about?
How scary?
They're not
are
scary
they,
at all.
though? How do you?
Perfect information, man. Nah. I'll tell you in a bit because I'm filming. Alright, okay, so
Yeah, I already.
yeah,
know
because
you're
it
doing
yeah, I know,
Alfred.
because it's in my YouTube title, and it literally says up there, that's why I say Alfred. Hello, it's Alfred the Go here. See, it's in the name. Yo, yeah,
Wait, I'm just gonna do my name.
your name is D.
No, it's D-E.
You have to find me first, bro. Oh, I left as well. Hang on. Oh, sorry. Hey, I'm behind you.
B. I know. I'm just putting B since I accidentally just deleted it right now. Okay, there we go. I got the code. But why are all the leaves transparent?
Just in case you're playing a game of Fortnite.
Wait, can't- like this.
Wait, do you have monkeys round?
Can you see me? I'll tell you if you can see me. Or find me.
Oh
need
my,
to
are
tell
you
me first.
got you?
Serious right now? No, I just juked. I was in the
Tagged you.
air.
I got you.
Oh, you just got juked.
Tag, already got you. Okay.
Tag. I just tagged you. No, I
Family's all that we got. Everything I would do, you were standing
Yeah,
there.
I was gonna say, what is this? Friend. And tell
Stop singing.
see you again.
Been a long day without you, my friend.
Do you have any games? Do you have
Yeah.
any games that you get mods, but that like whenever you join a lobby, it's so quick to join? Do you have any game?
Big scary games. I know. I'm me. Don't worry, I do not look like this. I'll show you in a bit. Code LMB. Why did I hit public for? I'm so numpty dumpty.
Oh,
Yo, I'm in. What's up? This is my fit. Bam. Then I love this is a new. I love this new Fortnite mode. Don't ring. Ooh, got me feeling, got me feeling. Don't ring. Press leave then enter, man. Don't feel. Ooh, ooh. Bruh. Then press enter.
there's only you're in. I see you. You're a bad.
No, leave the call. Leave the call.
Oh, there we go. Oh, no, but I want it to echo so we know where we are.
I would hear no echo of some sort. What the hell? Yo.
Hey guys, we're
Yeah,
back again. I
We
got
are
long arms.
back and with
Ah,
2
what's happened?
games.
Oh, I
Fun
got
Monkey
long
Horror
arms.
for like 2
I got
minutes.
a lamb
And now
now.
we're in the big scary. But only get
And my finger is broken.
good to know. Good to know.
My finger. Look. No, literally, actually, look. My finger is just bending. No,
Get down here.
and I'm
Look
not.
here.
Like,
Look
I'm
here.
doing this. What the?
Oh, you let.
Wait, who is?
Right, I'm gonna get rid of this cringy art music.
Oh my god.
Yo, guys, my subscribe. I need this. Really.
Shut up, cringy. Actually, yeah, I like this music.
Capybara.
It sounds like the
I should have got that.
like you
I
know
have
the
every-
baby oh,
Ba, ba.
just
That's alright.
you know the new
Yeah.
Deadpool movie?
Yes.
I'm Deadpool. Just hit me with the truth. That's I wanna welcome to. No, this can't be right. Wanna speed run? Where the fudge did you just go? Actually, no. We need to do level
What's that?
17 in order to do a speed
Level
run.
7. Wait.
Level
Level
17.
17. Oh, level 17. Is it a scary one? Yeah.
Yeah! Do it. Yeah.
Oh, soldiers! There's some Germans in the trench.
Ow!
Oh, there's some Germans in the trench. There's a German. There's another German.
You're German, Cuddy! Jeez.
There's some German in the trench.
This time they won.
I killed the Germans.
So they
Louder. There's some German in the... Gee, why do they go flying when I kill them? Watch this. See, they just fly. They just fly.
Wait. Wait, dude. Go to the top.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I didn't see that. Go to the top of this tree so you can and maybe shoot. Oh, ones keep on landing down there. Is this their base?
Yeah,
Let's
they
keep
just
on
fly
shooting.
across.
And they're going to wait.
How did I die? How are you on there? Get off of it. You just killed yourself. You with it. Hi, you're in my plane, boy! I said get out my plane! Yeah!
No, come here.
I've that cracked aim.
Here.
Nah, don't won't.
Dude, how many kills do you
I have no idea.
I got 6. I think
What?
I got 6. Yeah. Oh, so close. I think we're having a little too much.
Nah, this is big scary.
Just
I need to get up there.
raffle. Oh, fudge. Okay. Yeah, it's called Big Scary, not Fun Scary. Dude, where did you go? Oh, I'm getting up there. Hello. I can't. Dude, let's just go down. Okay, I made it out. Okay, where is everyone?
No, we can jump on the planes.
I see one. Okay. Where is it? The plane's
Now
going
then we have to
fast.
time it.
And the planes are transparent, I think. I'm calling the planes to come here. No, but I like how they did. Oh, there! I like how they did, like, the pop down with the wrist. Look at my wrist. It pops down.
No, that's the recoil. Oh.
Where
This
is
just
it?
goes all along there. That's different. Yo. Hit any control.
I can literally see it right there, and I'm aiming at it, and it won't die. Wait, I think you just... Oh, no, I fell!
this is so family friendly. This kid has been... I know you'll be picking on my phone. Oh, we could have jumped on that plane then.
Kill people.
See ya. Don't want to be ya. It's time to unleash the Hawk. Takes me like 5 seconds to do it.
The Hawk.
Yeah, if you want to be one of my videos, you have to be subscribed, to me, and you have to basically own a MetaQuest. Yeah, join my Discord as well if you want to join your codes. Yeah, because he joined my Discord and he's a subscriber. So he doesn't.
Yeah. And a friend on VR.
Stop shooting me. Yeah, and plus there's an opportunity you can be my friend on VR. Yeah, and like you play videos. That's a good thing. I feel violent tonight. Yes.
The best part is, guys, if you like and subscribe to him, you might be able to make him acknowledge.
Probably not, but hey ho.
How much do I have? I've killed 7 out of 50. How many have you killed?
16. I only get killing, man. There's a German in the trench! There's a German!
Wait.
That.
Wait.
Oh, I was going to do something really funny. See him? This is what happens when you do not subscribe. They're all my subscribers there. Yeah, that's my... That tank is such annoying. The tank just drives over your... Hey, you! Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? No, you haven't. Can you just say Alfred the Goat? Hey,
Let me speak to your
yeah,
friend one more time.
in here.
If you don't subscribe...
Hello.
Now guys, if you don't subscribe, you'll end up like the zombies were shooting. So you'll be a zombie.
You end up like him.
Till death. Yeah, you end up like me.
Root beer, no! Root beer! Root beer, no! Root beer!
It's too much. Oh, Ruber.
Root beer!
Ruber.
Wait, can I?
Kill. Straight. I just did one shot. There's someone. One single shot. Like they were running from here.
I eat my subs. I do not. Heart pocket. You're running backwards. You afraid, huh? I'm lit, I'm scared. Hello, tank. Hi, I'm Mansling.
You're floating. You're floating.
I'm on a tank.
I don't see the tank. You're floating. Dude, Hi, bye. My tank's over here.
How are you floating? You're hacking. You're
Oh my
hacking.
gosh. Tell me, jump onto my jump onto it. Oh my god! Skip it. Oh hell, that. Okay, that's just not.
Let's just kill violently.
I want to see how many shoots there are.
I'm James Bond. If you can sing,
I got 20 out.
if you can sing or not sing, I got 40. I just need 11. If you can sing or can't sing. Follow me.
No. Once you finish,
Yeah,
can you
sure.
stay with me? Once you finish, can you stay with me? But I could just keep on shooting people.
Need one. I love ending these suckers. Bye, sucker! Subscribe! You! You! My friend! Come here! My subscriber, come here. This, no, stay still for me. If you wasn't a subscriber, this gun.
Yeah, you would be.
You'd be like,
Like, if you're not a subscriber, then this guy's a
yeah, just subscribe. I can't sweat it enough. Oh no! Sorry, tank, forgive me. I died. I'm really good at this game. I haven't even died once. One more to steal. Did I just see a foot? Mars, preventative nosedive. What a skibbity are you? I'm here, man. I'm shaky! Nice, Mars, preventative nosedive.
Dude, have you killed
Yes.
everyone? Have you killed everyone? Like, I need a couple more. How many more I need?
That mother. Look, my frog.
I'm just gonna quickly check. How many kills do I got?
My frog died. I hate these.
Got 36. I'm close. I'm quite close to 50. No.
I'm coming back, don't worry. I'm back, boy. I see you, okay, do that, do your skill. I see you, okay. No Cherry Hill, no Cherry Hill, no Cherry Hill, bro. Stop calling. No, but I'll always come back. Oh, relative. No, die.
Another one shot. Sweat. My head's gone.
Yeah.
Oh. There's no button to leave.
No, you just have to get kills. It's kind of like a game of Fortnite. Let's get a 50 bomber.
One shot jump kill.
Hey, stop! I hate that. I'm coming. Don't be worrying. My branching skills are insane. Ow, my wall. How's that not? You die! If you jump on these bags, do you give you an XP bonus? Yeah.
Dude, I'm checking how many.
I think be done. I'm not doing level 18. My arms are killing me.
I got 43. I got 43. I'm so close. With my blood. I've done this. Jump out. I'll jump out.
Off the wall snipe.
I can shoot them.
Now this is called
Look at this.
tree.
And kill.
Guys, this is a
don't know how
time
many people-
to talk about Pokemon Go had just released a new update. They have Gigantamaxed Pokemon. That's my sponsor,
Dude,
Pokemon Go.
I got 46. How many
Four
more do I
man,
need?
for simple maths.
46, 47, 48, 49. Okay, 4. Okay.
Mask Protective Nosedive. You're in a nosedive?
Oh, I need 2 more.
Find 2,
I need
then kill
2
him.
more. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna save this one, and then I'm gonna. Okay, let's go get this one.
Let's get a dub, bother. I'm hungry, bubber.
Here he is. It's there. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Why would you die? Shoot and kill. Come on. I did it. I did it. Yay. Oh no.
Go back to the beginning.
How do you
Just
do
solve the
this?
puzzle.
I
Done
don't
it.
know how to
Leave,
do
just
this.
leave. Come on.
Okay.
Waiting for him. Hello. This will be the end of my video. I hope you like and subscribe and see us in the next one. If you want to be like him, you have to subscribe and join my Discord, or just go on the bar that says how you can talk to people. Comment, yeah, go to the comment section. Talk.
And
yeah,
I'm red.
Yeah, cool. And then yeah, that's when you can.
I'm red. Guys,
Then that means yeah, if you like and subscribe, you can
red.
be like him and join me in a video.
bye.
Oh,